Welcome back to Pretty Creative Stuff.
I never do videos of using my cleaning products and often think that I should, but usually I'm just in such a hurry that I want to get whatever it is clean right away that I don't want to go get the camera first. Well, today I decided to do a video. I just went to Costco, I got out of the car, and my new shoes, I got these from Skechers and I love them, but they are all like grease or dirt. I don't know what happened. My daughter got the same mark on her ballet tights last week. So there must be some grease somewhere in the car that is coming off on our clothes. I'm gonna have to figure out where that is and try to clean it up. But I'm gonna clean this off, and what I'm gonna use to clean it is called Master Blaster. This is a product I get from a company called Pure Haven. You can only buy them online or from consultants who have websites that you can buy them online. I'm a consultant, but I'm a consultant because it really works. I found out about this company when I was looking for safe cleaning products, ones that I wouldn't have to lock up and keep away from my kids. My son was 3 at the time, he's 10 now, so I've been using these for like 7 years and they work so well. I'm always really impressed. So all I'm gonna use to clean this is Master Blaster and paper towels, just regular Bounty paper towels that I get at Costco. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, you can see what the mark looks like right now, I'm just gonna spray it. You can already see it disappearing. Already see it disappearing. Okay, now I'm gonna get a paper towel and I can kind of like wipe it. I just got these shoes like 2 weeks ago, so I'd be really, really sad if they had permanent marks on them. Gone. Gone. Do you see how quick that is? I've used this on so many things, chocolate, ketchup, blood, you know, whatever. With kids, you never know what they're gonna get on their clothes. Gone. Speaking of my daughter's ballet tights, that's what I have on my hand right now. You can see grease stain right here. And this has been here for a week. I noticed it when she went to class, I wanna say on Friday, and well, it's Wednesday of the next week, so it's been about a week, and I've done nothing. I noticed it when she got out of the car at ballet and left it there. So now I'm gonna clean it. Let's see, once again, I am just going to spray it. You can see that's what it looks like now. Okay. It can help to get like some oxygen in it. So a lot of times I'll like, you know, move the stain or move the fabric around, let some airflow get to it. And then let me get out the paper towel and I'm just gonna wipe it. Kind of rub it in. A lot of times like my kids will like say they spill something on a tablecloth and their inclination, one, I really like that their inclination is to clean it, but sometimes they like rub the stain into the fabric, which you really don't want to do. However, you can rub the Master Blaster into the fabric. You can see it's almost completely gone. And the bad part about this is it was right on the top of her foot. It's not like it's on the bottom or somewhere unnoticeable. It's like right where her ballet, where her foot is, right where her foot is when she's on the top of her foot when she's doing ballet. Okay, let's see. Okay, I didn't really do the side one very well yet, so let me put a little bit more Master Blaster on that. You can see it's not completely gone, but it's doing really well. And again, this is something that I just didn't even try to clean right away. My shoes, I just noticed that. I literally just got home and saw the stain and cleaned them. And this one has been here for days and I've done nothing. So it's a teeny bit harder to get out when you leave it there. Obviously, if you have a stain, it's easiest to clean immediately. Sometimes like when we go on vacation or something, I'll take some Master Blaster and I'll put it in a little travel size spray bottle so I can bring it with me and have it in my purse with me. This is one of my essential cleaning products. There's another one called Surface Cleaner that pretty much Master Blaster and Surface Cleaner I use for everything. Okay. I mean, I think it's gone. Yeah. You can see my hand through it a little bit. That's a ring I have on. But yeah, gone. Oh, wait, I found another one. I found another stain. Do you see it? It's right, I don't know if it shows up right there. Okay, I'm gonna clean that one too. And this was her first time wearing these tights too. Just like with my shoes, it's really annoying when you get something and it's like brand new and it gets dirty like immediately. Gone. Gone. Okay, and I see another one here. This is like where her knee is. I don't know if she, like, if they were crawling on the ground or like what. I don't know how that happened, but I'm gonna try to clean this too. I don't think that was there before, like before ballet. I think that happened during ballet. But again, gone. I haven't even washed these. Like, she wore them to ballet and I thought I need to clean them. I need to get the stains out before I wash them. So I hadn't washed them yet. Gone. Gone. So it's really that easy. Like I said, I love Master Blaster and I highly recommend it. One great thing about it is it doesn't have any toxic ingredients. It's completely safe around kids. It's safe for kids to use themselves too, so they can learn how to clean their own things. I mean, you don't want to drink it or anything, but it's not going to like be harmful if you get it on your hands. It's not like bleach or anything. It includes water, alcohol, which is organic cane. So like I said, you wouldn't want to drink it, but it's not like harmful if it gets on your hands or anything. And baking soda, organic lemon peel oil, organic rosemary leaf oil, citric acid. It's wonderful. It smells good too. So if you clean your kitchen, it kind of smells like rosemary and citrus a little bit. So it's clean. It smells good. It's not like bleach. Oh my gosh. I cannot stand the smell of bleach. Like, I can't be in the house with it. It's like horrible to me. It's like I'm going to pass out. All right, I'm going to put a link in the description box if you're interested in buying Master Blaster. If you have a messy family like I do and you want to be able to clean things quickly, there you go. I have been known to clean stains off of my kids' clothes with Master Blaster while they're still wearing them. They'll be like, oh no, I got Nutella on my shirt or something, and I just like spray it and wipe it off. And they go on with their day. It's wet for a second, but it's fine. All right, there you go. All better. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified about upcoming videos about fun, creative, awesome hacks, parties, decoration ideas, crafts, and unboxings. See you next time. Bye.